Hi there, my name is Paul. My call is F6CXB. I got my French license back in 1973, and that's about 40 years ago. Now, through this video, I'd like to show you my radio station. This video will describe, without going into technical details, the various parts of that station. I got it about 30 years ago, and it replaced another old Drake equipment of the TR4 series. This one is also a Drake station, a little more up to date. Now, the heart of it is this transceiver, the TR7, working on from 10 to 160 meters, works on AM, CW, and single sideband. It has an output of about 100 watts HF into the antenna. And I never had any problems with this rig, and still working just fine. Reports I get from other hams about the audio quality are just excellent. Now on the left hand side is the Drake linear, the L7. This rig gives me about a 1 kW into the antenna. Actually, I don't use it for various reasons. The first one is because I figured that the transceiver itself is good enough to work good DX stations. Plus the fact that when I bought the whole set, the dealer told me that I had to buy the whole thing or nothing. Well, I didn't have any choice. So, well, anyway, it's here. On the right-hand side, you can see the antenna coupler, the MN2700. I can read, of course, the output power of the transmitter, and the standing wave ratio. Normally I get down to a 1:1. It does what it's supposed to do. Right on top of the TR7 is the Drake speaker, the SV4, or SV7, I'm sorry. Well, there is nothing much to say about it. But right on the right hand side there is the remote separate VFO, the RV7. I have used it quite a bit. Years ago when I had a weekly sched with a Fox Bravo 8 station located down in the South Pole on the French base Dumont d'Urville. And what we did, I was transmitting on frequency X with the TR7 and receiving on frequency Y from that FB8 station on the RV7. Now this way we were able to have, I would say, rather comfortable QSOs. On the right hand side is a remote coax switch where I can connect actually 5 transceivers on 5 different antennas. Presently I'm not using it due to the fact I only use one HF antenna on top of a crank-up tower. It's a tri-banner Yagi for 10, 15, and 20 meters. Finally, here is the control unit of the rotor. This is a ham2 model, and still doing fine. There is absolutely no problem with it. Sorry, I was zooming, but actually I'm not supposed to. Now here is again the whole station. As far as the microphones are concerned, I'm using the Drake microphone, but it's actually made by the Static company. But really, the one I like best is my D104. There is nothing better than getting through the QRMR with this kind of microphone. Sometimes I work also on 2 meters FM using our local repeaters, and I run low power with a small pocket size transceiver. And personally, I work most of the time on 10 meters. I've joined the 1010 International Net back in 1980, and I'm still a member. My working frequency is 28440. So if you hang around on that band, if you hear my call, give me a shout. I'll be very pleased to have a QSO with you. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. Your comments will be appreciated. And 73s to all of you.